Tesla rolls out new crucial safety feature. Tesla is finally rolling out a new crucial safety feature that is aimed at saving children from being left in the car. Over the past few months, we have reported on a feature Tesla was planning to roll out in its vehicles that would help keep children out of hot cars unattended. Tesla set to roll out new child safety and navigation features, coding shows. The company has been working on a solution to this problem for several years, as it has been working on an ultrawave sensor that would detect heartbeats instead of movement, as cameras would. Now, Tesla is implementing the feature in its vehicles with software update 2025.14.12, calling it Child Left Alone Detection. The release notes, via Not a Tesla app, show that the vehicle and the Tesla app will both make various attempts to alert the driver of a child in the car. If an unattended child is detected, the vehicle will flash the exterior indicator lights, play an alert tone, and send a notification to your Tesla app. This will repeat at regular intervals until you return to your vehicle. Cabin data is processed locally and is not transmitted to Tesla. This feature is enabled by default. To disable, go to Controls, Safety, Child Left Alone Detection. Tesla later said that the feature is currently rolling out to mid-2023 and later Model 3 vehicles in Europe initially, while other models and regions will receive the update in the coming months. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.